Let's create a mobile application using templates available on DhiWise. DhiWise provides various assets to create applications. So if you don't have designs, don't worry, we have got you covered. Here from the templates drop-down, you can select mobile, web, and backend to go to the list of templates. There's another way as well to do so. Select Mobile tab from here. And from this drop-down, select Create from Templates. It will take you to the list of templates available for mobile applications. As you can see, we have plenty of templates available in categories like movie streaming, food delivery apps, e-commerce, and healthcare. Explore as many as you can. You can select them to see the list of screen. You can click on any screen to see the screen here. Let's use this template. Provide a name here, and select any one mobile technology from the list. Here I am selecting Flutter. Now, let's create an app. As you can see, the app is created with the selected template.